Good morning students. Today we will study lecture 3 of unit 1. Amino compounds. Amino compounds are derivatives of ammonia obtained by replacing one or more hydrogen by alkyl group. This is the ammonia molecule here. So one of the hydrogen is removed from here, and if R group is added, then it is primary amine. If R is added, primary amine. If 2 H are removed, then it is secondary amine. If 3 are added, then it is tertiary amine. So these 3 groups are added, then it is tertiary amine. So ammonia compounds are derivatives of ammonia. This is ammonia molecule NH3. So by replacing one of the hydrogen atoms, if R groups are added, then they are known as amino compounds. These are examples are methylamine, dimethylamine and trimethylamine. Classification of amine. Primary amines, they are the monoalkyl derivatives of ammonia. These are the monoalkyl derivatives of ammonia obtained by replacing one hydrogen atom from ammonia by one alkyl group. So if one is removed, then it is RNH2. Example is CH3NH2 methylamine. Secondary amine, if 2 hydrogen atoms are removed from here, then it is R2NH, dimethylamine. So in tertiary amine, if 3 hydrogen atoms are removed from here, then it is tertiary amine, RRR. So in the place of R, that means example trimethylamine. This is tertiary amine. Then quaternary ammonium salt. They are obtained by replacing all the 4 hydrogen atoms from ammonium salt. NH4C, NH4X. This is a salt. So these 4 hydrogens are removed from the ammonium salt and R is added. Then it is known as tetramethyl ammonium iodide. This is the fourth division, that is quaternary ammonium salt. So amines are also classified as aliphatic amines and aromatic amines if they have only one alkyl group bonded to nitrogen atom. So this is CH3NH2. So to this nitrogen atom, if only one CH3 group is attached, then it is aliphatic amine. That means if aliphatic group is added to NH2, then it is known as aliphatic amine. If aromatic group is added, if it is aromatic is added, that means if benzene is added to NH2, then it is known as aryl amine or aromatic amine. Aryl or aromatic amine. If both the benzene ring and aliphatic group is added, then they are known as aryl alkyl amine. They have aryl and alkyl group bonded to nitrogen, C6H5CH2NH2, benzyl amine, dibenzyl amine. That means here you are having aliphatic group and aromatic group, both are there. So they are known as aryl alkyl amines. Nomenclature. In common system, amines are named by adding suffix amine to the name of the alkyl or aryl group. In case of mixed amines, the name of the alkyl group is arranged in alphabetical order followed by suffix amine. In case of simple secondary or tertiary amine, prefix di, tri is added before the name of the alkyl group. Example CH3NH2, that is common name. So common name amines are added by adding suffix. So we are to the methyl group we are having suffix amine. If it is mixed is there, then in the alphabetical order. If it is secondary, tertiary, then you are adding di, tri is added before the name. Then IUP system. Amines are named as aminoalkanes or alkyl amines. CH3NH2, this is common name is methylamine and IUPAC name is aminomethane. Cis2H5NH2, this is ethylamine, common name ethanamine, IUPAC name. Then here propyl group is there, propyl amine, that is no branch is there, so N-propylamine and 1-propanamine. Then isopropyl, so the second carbon NH2 is attached, so it is 2, this is isopropyl amine or 2-propanamine. Here then again butyl group is added, this butyl group is there, and to this N-butyl amine or 1-butanamine, because in one position amino group is there, then it is 1-butanamine. Next in secondary amine, 2 CH3 is there, so dimethylamine or amino N-methyl aminomethane. So if ethyl group is attached, then it is diethylamine or diethanamine. Diethanamine. If both group is there, methyl and ethyl, then you are getting in alphabetical order. E comes before, so in alphabetical. So ethyl, then methylamine, ethyl methylamine or methyl ethanamine. Then in tertiary amines, 3-methyl group is there. So 3-methyl group is there. So trimethylamine or N-dimethylamine of methane. Here 3-ethyl group is there. So triethylamine or triethanamine. If 2-ethyl group is there and 1-ethyl group is there. So diethyl methylamine or methyl diethanamine. Then ethyl methylamine. Here ethyl and 2-methyl are there. So dimethylamine or dimethyl ethanamine. Then again ethyl methyl and propylamine. So here ethyl group is there, methyl group is there, and these are this CH2 CH2 propyl. So N propyl is there. So to nitrogen, 1-methyl group is there, 1-ethyl group is there, and 1 propyl group is there. So going in the alphabetical order, you are having ethyl methyl N propylamine or ethyl methyl 1 propanamine. Thank you.